EDA RFID Smart Capital Lock Model 1080E Card Type EMK 125KHZ Operation. First, put 4 pieces AAA batteries in right position. Then connect the 2 lock bodies with the cable. Put inside in right position. Done. Put the small plastic part close to lock body in right position and do not move during operation. Let get outside when the right position done. Find a small tools. Hold to press the reset up button, a small white plastic pattern inside of the holes for 2 seconds. Music on, blue light on. Let get inside and outside again. Blue light off, music off, done. Get the first key, sweep to the lock. After 4 beeps, done. The first key becomes to the owner key. Sweep the owner key again. After 1 beep, blue light flashing, sweep the second key. Done. After 1 beep, done. The second key becomes to the master key. Sweep the master key again. After 1 beep, blue light flashing, sweep the third key after 1 beep, down. The third key becomes to the user key. Now, customer can use this lock by user key. Sweep the user key, let's get outside and open the door. Customer put his stuffs inside of the locker, then close the door. Lock locked. Customer will take his user key away for fun. After fun, he back with the user key, find his locker, use his user key to open the lock, open the door, get his stuffs outside, and close the door. Lock locked. Customer put his user key back to the locker, done. And a new customer come, use the same user key to open the locker, put his stuffs inside, and lock the locker. Locked automatically. He leave with his user key for fun. After he back, then use his user key to sweep the lock open and open the locker, get his stuffs outside, and close the locker door. Not locked. Customer B return his key to the lock. A customer C come and use his user key to sweep the lock open, put his stuffs inside, and close the door. Not locked. He leave for fun, but he might lost his key, and he asked for customer manager to help, who has the master key. The manager came and swept to the manager key after 1 beep and tried to find a new key to sweep the lock after 1 beep. The new key becomes a new user key. Use the new user key to open the lock, get his stuffs outside, give it back to the customer, and close the lock locked. And this new key becomes to the new user key. If someone found the old user key, tried to open the locker, it's not working anymore. This key becomes to an illegal key. Thanks.